What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Night Harvest 2017. Out here in Cape Town, the trails crew's been killing it, slaying the jumps despite the drought. Looks like there's still water out here. Boys about to ride soon. Let's check it out.
Unreal. It's like having gold. Told you you'd be impressed, didn't I? No, it goes way beyond that. This blows me away. How'd you manage to get a hold of something like this? I just can't believe you got this for the 8.6. That's amazing.
Yeah, me either. Haven't felt this excited in a while.
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch. Then after that, go see me hard. But I ain't gon' start nothing. My energy is for the hustle. She said she could deal with that, but she still want it from the back. I might start that wacky pet like Sonic. Get me out of that. Pull up smoking, jumping jacks. The smell of that will lay you back. She drink just like Leahy, but I'm Ricky when I smoke the sack. Pull up with them handles, man. 240 slide up to the pack. Ain't no S on you, bitch. One time make these niggas mad. He pull off, he looking sad. Switch back to me, I feel my glass. Clowns can't get down with us. No rapper can't come damage us. He come with that tricky shit. We quick and first to handle it. I can't give a fuck for shit. It's hollow squad or nothing, you bitch.
When are you gonna put it in there?
They think I'm a devil's child just because I never smile. Now these people going wild. They won't think I'm crazy when I make it. So fuck the allegations. Now I'm about to lose my patience. I make a couple payments just to make it out. Hit me when it's dinner time. You know I be getting mine. People wanna see me dying. How can I be satisfied? Everything you say is lies. People always changing sides just to keep me occupied. I can't love one. Oh shit, that's done. Damn, I had fun. Know what I want, I just make sure it comes. Make sure I'm plugged, always stay deep in love. They think I'm a devil's child just because I never smile. Now these people going wild. They won't think I'm crazy when I make it. So fuck the allegations. Now I'm about to lose my patience. I make a couple payments just to make it out the basement. People act like they don't know. I've been slaving on the stove. I've been far away from home, like I never left the zone. Why can't I be left alone? I've been out here chasing dough. You be out there chasing hoes. From the summer to the snow, I just grind, grind, grind. Know that wine tastes fine. Know my girls are mine. We don't fuck with the swine. We don't fuck with your kind. Used to fuck all the time. Now you dug through the lines. Now you somebody else. Devil's child just because I never smile. Now these people going wild. They won't think I'm crazy when I make it. So fuck the allegations. Now I'm about to lose my patience. I make a couple payments just to make it out. Still pop locking my wrist.
I'm Declan Brooks and we're here in Cape Town at the Night Harvest event. I've just won the BMX event, super stoked, happy to be here. The weather is unreal and I just love Cape Town. See you next year.